Hi guys! Asa na sad mi? Asa ni ay mi uy? Hello mga lafangers! Padung ko sa best known na ramen din sa Sachi. Diri sa SMC site guys. Mo nilang minuti ka look at their menu first para makita ninyo pila ilahang mga price. This is their must-try dish or noodles, guys. Tonkotsu. The price is a little bit high, but okay lang. But ang quality magud sa ilang food dire kay lami. So 445 ang price. And we also ordered chicken karagi, guys. Mga 200 plus yung price. Let's eat. Did you know guys na ang Sachi means it's a word called happiness? Diba? Diba pagkaon palang daan sa ilang noodles, you feel happy. What I like sa noodles ni Nadiri guys kay kuan ka siya flavored kay siya jud. So in every bite or in every bite sa imong noodles, you will feel jud na they're lami jud siya. Wait sa kay marag init man kaayo. No, why lami siya guys? Kay authentic manggod ang noodles nila or ang ilahang broth nila. So it was slowly cooked ang tonkotsu broth nila jud. Imagine 10 years na sila naghimo aning kuan ilahang Japanese noodles. That's why mga veterano na jud kay sila. And they are also won guys as award-winning, was named the best ramen in 2015 sa Sunstar. And then they are the best of Cebu and won best takoyaki in 2019. Now you know another food for thought, guys. See you here sa Sachi. Thank you mga lafangers.